My main multimeter required a big brother. Sometimes it is necessary to double check some of the values or expand the scope of problem solving. And then on Sunday evening, the big brother for my multimeter was delivered. So the guys from KAIWEETS sent me this HT118A multimeter. You can find a link to the store in the description under this video. What I see in the box: multimeter, instructions in few languages, test leads probe, also a K-type thermocouple for temperature measurement, and a set of AAA batteries. What about main function on this multimeter? Auto range, analog bar display, True-RMS, NCV, data hold, backlight and LED lamp, diode test, overload protection, short circuit protection and other functions. This multimeter is very similar to many other multimeters in this price range. Perhaps they are created on the same basis. This can often be seen on the market.
Through the rain and rain, I turn nothing into something. No more dealing with the assumptions, cause I do what I gotta do and I know, can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for who I am.
Hello everyone, привет всем, and welcome back to very excited video blog.
All I wanna do is live it up with the homies. Everybody really talking as if they know me, but I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless.
The multimeter itself looks very good and is twice the size of my old multimeter. This is advanced multimeter designed to be used safely and accurately by electricians at workplaces or homeowner and DIY who needs more capability and when the standard measuring tools. Light up the terminals, LED indication light as input terminal guidance, support CAT free up to 1000 volts because double insulation robust outer case, includes test leads, K-type thermocouple, batteries and user manual on the few languages. Very important what the multimeter is powered by two AAA batteries, not a 9-volt battery. It has always been a problem for me to find a 9-volt battery, but you can always find two AAA battery in the house. Also very nice function what there is an external flashlight for illumination something and an indicator for finding hidden wiring or hidden power supplies.
I got you on my mind. You were stuck in my head and I don't know why. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby. We got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm I'm gonna miss you, I will never love you. Call me whenever you need someone, please.
First, let's try to measure the resistance of the probes. It should be noted that the probe's wires are made from soft silicone. It's also a good point when you use it.
I remember the days, always at the same place, the same people.
It is strange, multimeter cannot measure the resistance of the probe, what comes with this kit.
This black ochre red.
On my old multimeter, I do it without any problem. My small multimeter is also True-RMS.
Thought I was so full, oh, when I was falling for you. You keep drawing me in the night. I know it's a sin, but even so, yeah, I need you. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. Feel so bittersweet, knowing I can leave. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat on my heart and face. 'Cause you taste like candy.
Okay, I will try to measure the capacitor, but you should remember maximum measure capacitance is only 100 microfarads. Some kind of underestimated value. Again, an underestimated value. Let's measure something else. For example,
You don't know what goes on behind these eyes. You don't know the loneliness hidden inside. You don't know I wanna eat you up alive. Come and get to know me, my type of wild. I'm the kind that spins you and hangs you dry. Well, I'm already on to another side. If you gave me your whole life, I would still have room for more. 'Cause I've got that appetite. Baby, I never feel whole. You might get me through the night, but it will never be enough. It will never be enough. 'Cause I'm a black gold for your love.
again an underestimated value. What if try an SMD capacitor?
Cause it's true, no, no, no. Everything they say about me, I'll suck you, no, 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 to my center of gravity. Cause it's true, no, no, no. Everything they say about me, all of you like a supernova, burned into you like a shooting star. Always craving for you to come to me. Though this way of life, no, it ain't healthy, but ain't no other way, it's just what I need. I I want all your soul, I want your body. I'm the type that licks her play clean. Don't wanna let out, wanna you can eat. If you gave me your whole life, I would still have room for more. Cause I've got that appetite. Baby, I never feel whole. You might get me through the night, but it will never be enough. It will never be enough. Cause I'm a black girl for your love. Your love. Cause I'm a black girl for your love.
Function of electric circuit dialing. So this is the most frequently used function by me, and I think you also use these functions too much. Very important what the multimeter detects immediately and gives a dialing beep signal. Very bad reaction with the included probes. My old multimeter responds instantly. I think the problem with the probes. Let's change them. Take it from my old multimeter. Yes, it is. The problem is in the probes. Therefore, when buying a multimeter, you should buy normal test probes for this multimeter. What about the resistance of the probes? Now we can measure resistance, but the multimeter is behaving strangely. By the way, it is very convenient when for different modes it is necessary to connect the probes for measurement to different holes, and the multimeter, when changing the mode, highlights the holes where the probe should be inserted. It is good point for multimeter. If you made a mistake and did not switch from the AC to DC mode, the multimeter will not burn out. Cheap multimeters burn out, but not this one. Now it shows the frequency of the AC socket and how many volts are in the outlet. Easy live wire detection with visual and audio alarm. It is good point for multimeter. If you look through the instructions, then you can easily find the restrictions and where to insert which probes so as not to break the multimeter. This is also a plus for such instruction. In general, the multimeter supports all necessary modes and has protection for application up to 1000 volt because he has double insulation. You can find measurement errors in the instruction for different modes. And so, in general, I can recommend it, this multimeter for purchase. Let me remind you what you can find a link to purchase in the description. You will also find a discount coupon for this multimeter. Among your tools, it will take a decent position and you will use it again and again. Convenient, simple and clear, basically what is needed for such a tool. Of course, this is not a professional tool, but price is appropriate, price to quality. This is our main advantage of this multimeter. For solving most household electrical problems or when repair electronics, he will help you, I am sure. Measure temperature, find hidden wiring or fuzzes in your socket. What else do you need? That's all for today. Best way say thank you to the author and share this video with your friends. I will hope to see you next time.